ready, little artists, for a thrilling drawing ride. Join me in crafting an incredible ambulance car masterpiece. Buckle up your creativity and let's zoom into the world of emergency vehicles together.
Lives the rhythm of wheels and the siren's bright spark, riding like hope on a midnight freeway. An angel in steel with a song to convey. She's the dolphins of care, riding Cherulean sea. In the wail of her song lies up your jubilee, mending the bruised and the broken spar. She's the happiness healer, that ambulance car. Pressed in a luminescence, cutting through the night's gloom. An emergency poet, pick you up from doom, as she tales the melodies of life so bizarre. Oh, the solace we find in that ambulance car. A beacon of peace on the melodies we ride. In the chaotic cityscape, she's the swelling tide, bringing the wounded in from battles afar. Under the night sky sings the ambulance car. In the heart of the city, where the lights paint the dark, lives the rhythm of wheels and the siren's bright spark, riding like hope on a midnight freeway. An angel in steel with a song to convey. She's the dolphins of care, riding Cherulean sea. In the wail of her song lies up your jubilee, mending the bruised and the broken spar. She's the happiness healer, that ambulance car. Pressed in a luminescence, cutting through the night's gloom. An emergency poet, pick you up from doom, as she tales the melodies of life so bizarre. Oh, the solace we find in that ambulance car. A beacon of peace on the melodies we ride. In the chaotic cityscape, she's the swelling tide, bringing the wounded in from battles afar. Under the night sky sings the ambulance car. In the heart of the city, where the lights paint the dark, lives the